batteries themselves actually were pretty good. It's the problem I had with these generic batteries is they wouldn't stay clipped in, and so they kept falling out. Or you'd get something over your head, and you go screw that piece of drywall in or whatever, and you get everything lined up, and you pick it up, and the drill won't drill because this has popped loose a little bit. And both of the generic batteries I bought, because I bought a 2-pack, exhibited the same case problem, which was really irritating. So eventually I had enough money to buy some proper M12 batteries. By the way, these screws are a CRV, which I think is just the metal. It's a security bit for a T10. I was able to get a lot of work done. See, look at that. That's how it's supposed to happen. Just slide right off. Slide right back on. And there's the original Milwaukee. And there's the knockoff. And that graphic says that's the right way. And look at that. It fits on there. There's no tension. Anyway. So, for the $10 it cost me for the new covers, I figured it was worth it if it gets me more life out of these batteries. Oop, that seemed like an over-tighten. All right, so there's that. So the biggest problem I had was with the generic batteries, you'd be in there, you go to pull the trigger, lights would flash, get everything over your head. That's real frustrating. Still don't like it. It's really surprising that you can't, it doesn't seem like that would be a hard thing to get the fit right. When the genuine Milwaukee batteries just clip in there and hold tight. This one doesn't seem to be causing. Oh, there we go, got it. So that's been my experience with at least these two off-brand batteries, is that it wiggles free and it does that to you. It's still loose. I don't know. I like how firm that lock is on there. There's just no wiggle at all. So, if you don't want to get frustrated with the tools not working, buy the genuine batteries.